Fernando Rodriguez,
Yes, sir.
All the way to the front,
if you come forward, please. And miss, if you can have a seat, please.
first row, it's first row. If there's no space, it's first row.
Good morning. Your attorney's in jury trial, so he won't be here today. So we're gonna give you a reset.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Norma, on this case, did Alfonso give you an idea how long the jury trial would be?
On Monday, Judge, I can ask the coordinator to contact her.
No, let's just set it. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Norma. Reese, what is your work schedule? Do you have any off days in the week?
I work 2 weeks days and then 2 weeks nights.
I'm sorry, 2 days.
2 weeks days and then 2 weeks nights.
All right, so what's the best date for you? So you won't miss work? You need to look at your
Yes, ma'am.
phone or calendar.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Yeah,
go
ma'am.
ahead. Sure.
From the 26th and the 30th
All
of
right,
this month.
so I see on this, you have a motion to revoke out of another court on January 26th.
Yes,
Is that correct?
On Tuesday or Monday.
So you just, Norma, we can just put this for January 26th and talk to your attorney. If you need to be in that court first for the motion to revoke, the court is fine with it. All right, Norma, if you'll put it for January 26th, then.
He was called,
Just acknowledging that you can.
he was called during. Could be others.
James Matthew Gonzalez Jr., come forward. All right, so the last time you were here in December, we were in a jury trial, so there's nothing we could do. My understanding that all the discovery had been received.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did you sign an acknowledgement of discovery or no?
Believe we did, but I don't have a specific memory of
Okay.
back that far. But today we've accepted the state's recommendation of pretrial diversion. The application has been submitted. He's awaiting his orientation. That's where we're at today.
Okay, all right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date, please. All right, so we'll be back here on February 17th. If everything is completed, I will have received something saying that you completed and you won't need to be here. Otherwise, you'll be here, okay? Once you sign the reset form, you're excused, just have a seat. Your attorney will bring it to you.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Absolutely.
Anyone else ready?
Augustine Sanchez, page 12, 2 down.
Augustine Sanchez, good morning.
I'm asking for a reset for discovery. I gave the state, Mr. Pena, a large flash drive. There are 3 videos that cannot be, I guess, automatically downloaded from e-discovery, so you have to do it manually. Gave him an external flash drive. I wouldn't think it'd take too long to have the paralegal download those, but that's the request.
All right, and why were you late?
I went downstairs to District 11 by accident.
Okay, so here's the thing. You now know where this court is, so make sure you're on time. Court starts at 9, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes.
I need a 33-day reset. It's for discovery, and also state at that time you need to be prepared to tender an offer. All right, what date?
I can do the 17th.
217.
All right, so we'll be back on February 17th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused, just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset to you.
Copy that, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Now, that's for a discovery and an offer for the state to tender an offer. Anyone else ready?
Ma'am, it's Lynn, page 16, 3 down.
You say which one?
Page 16, the third one down.
Okay. If you'll come forward, please. Oh, I saw you in the hallway. I love the dress. Yeah, no, I mean, the way you're dressed. Yeah. All right. So we're here for restitution, if there's any restitution. All right, we'll go on the record. The court is calling 2025 CR 012851 State versus Jasmine Lim. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Patrick Valentine from Ms. Lim.
And are you Ms. Lim? All right, we're here for a restitution off the record. Parties had said there were in agreement to a restitution amount. And what is that agreement?
Yes, Judge, the agreement for the amount of $98 restitution
And who is that to be paid to?
to the city of San Antonio.
Probation,
Yes, Judge?
there's to be $98 restitution to the city of San Antonio on Lim.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, is there anything else?
I think
All right, we will close the record. Is she listed as being in jail because of?
I don't think so.
The GPS.
I have a GPS tracking device. I'll get it taken off tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, and that tracking is not for this court, it's for another court?
I don't.
No,
I think
we're
this is
for
all
here.
matter, right?
Yeah. This is it.
Yeah, so
All
they're just
right,
taking a while to
so-
give it off.
It was, we agreed last time, it was 30 days instead of 10 days in Bear County.
Yes,
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
All right, so then probation, her time on GPS should be up, you say tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am, at 9 o'clock.
All right, and let me, and let me look in the notes. So make sure that I have that to sign to have it removed tomorrow by 9. Okay, all right, is there anything else?
no, Judge, thank you.
Anything else you need from the court?
No, thank
All
you
right,
so much.
oh, you're welcome. The court is calling 2025 CR 008809 State versus Loretta Ramos. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Elizabeth Russell for Ms. Ramos.
And are you Miss Ramos?
Yeah.
And it's the court's understanding from reading the judge's notes that this case was set for jury trial on January 6th. Defense counsel filed a motion for continuance. Judge Angelini granted the motion and is reset for jury trial today. And counsel, are you asking to orally amend that motion for continuance and have the court hear it?
I am, Judge, and I have another one that I have verified that I need to file as well if the court needs me to, that is going to explain everything that I'm about to tell the court.
All right, any objection to the oral amendment to the previous motion for continuance?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and what is the reason for the request for the continuance?
Your Honor, I have conflicted settings that I was not able to secure even a court appearance to ask for a continuance in. Those conflicted settings, unfortunately, are in municipal court this morning at 10 o'clock, this afternoon at 1:30. They provide no opportunity for us to even get resets. The only way we can get a reset is to appear. And when the reset is necessary because of a conflict, that obviously provides no opportunity for counsel to get that reset. I had made these settings because I didn't have any criminal settings on this day.
In municipal court, you guys are trying to murder something, right?
It's actually more difficult to try a municipal court case than a murder, unfortunately,
Yeah.
Judge. And then I also have a municipal court setting tomorrow morning. I have a Comal court setting tomorrow, a Kendall County setting tomorrow morning. And then in the afternoon, I have a city council meeting. The city council meeting is actually the one that's of the utmost priority. We have had to reschedule several times because of things that the city council was requesting that we do. It's for a modification to a plan, like a zoning plan amendment. And there is no mechanism for providing a continuance other than showing up for those
Oh,
meetings.
no, I've done work when I was a defense attorney with zoning, so I realize it's hard to get a reset, and once it's hard to get a hearing there, and then to ask for a reset is very difficult. State, do you have any objections to the continuance?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will grant the motion for continuance. This jury trial, how long do y'all expect it to last?
No longer than 2 days.
Yeah.
All right, so confer with Ms. Ferguson, get a jury trial date, and that will be your jury trial date. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you.
Give me just a second. And Judge, do you want me to file that other verified motion for continuance as well? I'm happy to.
They've already said they had no objection to the oral.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. I was at the bookstore, that's my hangout place. And so I was looking for a new book to read. And I saw the book, the cover intrigued me. And so I asked the person who was checking me out, I'm like, is this book any good? And she said, do you like Fourth Wing? Ears perk up. She said, this is better.
No way. What book is that?
It is called Quicksilver, and it's by Callie Hart.
Is that like a series or is that just one book?
It's a series. So this is book 1. Book 2 is already out.
Okay, now you got me.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start reading it.
We're reading the book club.
Mhm.
We're reading reminders of him because it's the next movie that's coming up in March from a book.
When you go to the bookstore at Barnes and Nobles, they have a section, and it's all read it before the movie comes out. They even had the Stephen King's Running Man, but that's already out. I cannot believe it's 2026. But John, how were your holidays?
Judge, my holidays were full.
Yeah.
And It was wonderful. How about you? How was the visit with mom?
Oh my gosh, it was fabulous. And you know, when you have babies, the gift that they love the most was the least inexpensive, the noise maker, right? But it was a lot of fun. It's always great being around family.
Yes, everyone's doing well.
Oh, everything, you know what? Everyone is doing great. And I tell you, it always puts things in perspective when you get to go back home. So I'm feeling fabulous. Are we going to talk about Pittsburgh?
You know, we can talk about it. We can talk about it.
Eh,
I
Did you?
did not, Eric didn't do what he was supposed to do, and
Yeah.
it just, you know, it was horrible.
I was rooting for you guys.
It's a horrible game. And we played, I mean, we had so many different chances,
Ah,
but you know, next year, right? That's
Yeah.
what the cowgirls say anyway, right?
yes. Oh.
That is
But you know what? Watching that game reminded me of, I want to say the last drive-in movie that I ever went to. Do you remember The Fish Who Saved Pittsburgh? Have you ever seen that movie? Oh my gosh, that's a classic. It deserved an Oscar. You know, Julius Irving was in that. And I think Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was in it too. Okay, but look up The Fish Who Saved Pittsburgh. It was awesome.